So doing something a little bit different. What I have here is 2 top sirloin fillets. I have seasoned with salt and pepper and some Dano's spicy seasoning. And instead of putting these on the grill, I'm going to attempt to cook these in a Chefman air fryer. Never have done that before. I've heard of people doing it, so we will see how it comes out. So I got my air fryer on 400 degrees. I'm going to let it preheat for 10 minutes before I put my steaks inside of it. Now I'm going to place these steaks right inside. Oh, here's that sizzle. We go 12 minutes and I'll flip it at 6. All right, it's been 6 minutes. Pull it out. Looking good. I'll flip them over. Yeah, looking good. It starts back automatically. Timer just went off. Open it up. It looked really good. I'm gonna put them over here on a plate and let them rest for about 10 minutes. Let the steam coming off on them. Look good. Now I'm gonna put some fries in here and have some steak and fries. So while the steaks are resting, I'm gonna cook me a little bit of fries. Not only minis, just me. So I'm gonna cook them at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. And I'll flip them at 6 or shake them, they call it. But man, look at those. Juices coming out of it already. I don't want to cut into it. I want to rest so the juices can redistribute inside the steak. And we'll try them out soon. So there's the steak. As you see, it's still good pink on the inside. I got a piece on the fork right here. I'm gonna try. Yeah, I'm happy. That's good. That's really good.